Alright boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to finish prepping for the drift day. Star of the show is the silver coupe, of course. Your favorite tri-spoke E36 coupe. If you're not sure what's going on, this car is basically Instagram famous now. At the time of recording this video, a post I made about the sticker launch, which featured this car, has more than like 3,000 likes, which is the most likes I've ever received in my life, so I'm pretty hyped. I'm glad that everyone likes this thing, even though it's completely written off and a complete piece of shit. I wanted to start the video off talking about the stickers. If you're not aware, you must be sleeping. Go to the website rogueworld.co, grab yourself some fresh Rogue stickers, yeah. Since I'm going to the drift day, I do want to use the car as a bit of a promotional vehicle in all the senses of the word. I want to probably print some vinyls to go along the skirts, just in case people wanted to see what's going on. But I want to address my faded, old, crusty BMW badge. Barely any blue pigment left in it, and I feel like that's kind of disgraceful. Even though this car is quite ghostly, I feel like the soul of BMW is slightly missing. I'd like to return it by maybe adding a fresh badge. Obviously, as you can see, my badge is upside down. So is my rear. This is just kind of how I like to roll. But this gave me an idea though, right? Whoa, that looks kind of sick on the car, actually. Yeah, I really like that. That's a good look. It's still a regular BMW logo from far away, but then it's got some other stuff on it, so you actually want to go and look at it. And then when you do go look at it, it says Rogue. That's kind of fire. I'm really into that. I'm definitely going to run that. But there's something about that faded badge. I might rebadge my old faded badge. Anyway, these are available on rogueworld.co. If you like how that looks and have a BMW, pick yourself up a Rogue BMW emblem. I will have an option where the vinyl itself is actually not applied to the badge, just in case you wanted a clean BMW badge. I will be honest, these are not actually OEM, but they're as close to OEM as you can get, really, unless you go to BMW and pay like 50 quid for one. Yeah, cool. So we're back at this thing. This is looking sick. This is how I'm gonna run it. Faded badge with Rogue writing. Fuck with it. I've also done a bit of branding. I think that's kind of sick. My drop shadow didn't really work out. I'm probably gonna have to redo that, but unfortunately this was the last bit of white vinyl that I had. I've ordered more, so it should be on the way. I've also wiped the car down. All the mud is gone. If you notice, there's some tires here. These are actually my tires for the drift day. Sunny 195 45 16. As usual, this is what I run, this is what I've been running. Unfortunately, it rained recently, so there's water in them, which is not cool, but we're gonna sort that out. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna load them into this thing, and I'm gonna go and take some photos of this somewhere in the wild maybe. And so I've brought this GoPro along. Yeah, just in case anything happens, you know, because this police stuff has really got me tripping. I'm kind of anxious about driving this thing on the road, considering what happened last time I did that. And I haven't had time to do the tires yet, but I have new tires, so my point is if I have them in the car, but we'll see how it goes. Oh yeah, I did like a mirrored version on this side, and the drop shadow on this definitely is wrong, but it's okay, I can redo it. Just need more vinyl. Oh god. Okay, let's load these tires in here. Tires are loaded up. Rogue. I still don't actually know where I want to go and take photos of this. I like how this GoPro is still recording though, that's kind of lit. I think I know where I'm going to try first. There's this lay-by on this road nearby here. I'm going to do a little POV thing of driving this. Bro, this car is so like, just slippery, do you know what I mean? See, I don't like that sound, isn't it? I'm gonna have to do a little thing and go and check what's dragging. We don't like anything to be dragging. My existence is dragging, mate. That's the fucking problem, do you know what I mean? Just stay in there and everything's gonna be fine. I need to just go take some photos, bro. Fucking drift car, do you know what I mean? Stop. What kind of video content is this, mate? Haven't even left the house and it's halfway through the damn video. understand what the point of this rubbing is, but it's okay. We're just driving through. There's obviously a Ford Focus in front of us going ultra slow for no reason, as usual. The car is feeling extra dirty, extra responsive. Oh my god, and extra slippery. Like, you saw that, it barely did anything. This was 4th gear. I was at 1,000 RPMs, mate, and the car was literally just doing a drift already. I really hope that this just means that I can do 3rd gear at pod around the big corner, because ideally that's what I want to be doing. I want to just be connecting the whole of pod the whole way through. So that's what's going to be happening on Wednesday. Next video, get excited, should be out by the end of the week. Oh my god, yeah, it's super ultra drifty. Like, every diff skip makes the car want to actually slide. That's so cool. Hello? Who's this? Oh, that's Leon's dad. That is Leon's car and Leon's dad driving it. I don't really understand what this rubbing thing is and why it's occurring. The car feels okay though. As soon as it warms up a little bit, the engine becomes more like happy to be alive. I feel like this whole drivetrain is, I've reached the end. Not end, but like, maximum potential, you feel me? And I don't know why this person is just the most annoying thing in the world, man. I'm so glad they've left. The car is just not... Something flew away. Anyway, the lay-by is coming up soon. This corner is kind of crazy, so I'm literally going to chill. 60. 5th, not even on throttle, it's fine. We're not going to drift, we're not going to slide into no bongo van. Bro, this car is ultra responsive. Like, the tiniest steering input makes the car do so much. I literally can't wait to drift. Oh, this lay-by is empty as well. Look at this. I think this is a perfect photo spot. I don't know what you lot think. I really hope that my fucking indicator light didn't fall off, because if it did, then I'm just literally pissed. Something flew away, mate. 100% from the front. I don't know what it was. I'm gonna take some photos of this. I'm gonna leave it running because just to warm up, just to exercise the cooling system. I think the cooling system is fine. I really do appreciate everyone actually commenting on the drift video, helping out with suggestions for the cooling system. I think that's great. Thank you, everyone. If I was to ever upgrade the cooling system, I'll probably just go to an M3 setup, which has like the expansion tank and everything. But I do truly believe in the stock cooling systems. So I'm gonna take some pictures for the gram because, yeah, as I was saying, this car is doing well. So I'm just trying to ride that and see where we can go. I really wish that the sun was out, because here has a really good sunset, but today unfortunately is overcast. The Yaris has to yeet. How can I yeet the Yaris? I couldn't. Oh yeah, and this is an issue with my camera lens.
If you lot can see, I don't know if you can see in the video, but it's cracked and it goes right through the middle of the lens, and this is my wide angle lens, so it's kind of sad.
I'm an idiot. I should get a phone case, mate, for this expensive ass phone, but it's okay, I don't care. Oh, this is a nice shot. Look at this, mate. I can win everything with this. Car coming. Sorry, it's cozy. I just photography. Thank you, they were nodding at me. Good, very nice. Please. Does this work? What do we think? This is kind of cute. I actually think this is not that bad. What is this wire doing in the photo though? Can we just get rid of this? Kind of ruins the vibe. Oh, another car. Fucking shit. Yo. That's kind of fresh. I'm not gonna lie, this looks dumb aggressive. I like this car. This car does okay sometimes for my brain and for my love. God damn, boy. Anyone coming? No? I get a photo from this way without the wire. What happened to the sky? No, I need more extreme. This guy's crazy. He's cool though. I need more of the front camber in the photo, man. It's not really coming out. Yeah, this is it. No, I'll do one with that in the background. Flat side profile. This is the ugly side too. We can work with it. It's not a problem. Imagine this car though. Like IRL. Sorry, man. She loved it. Why are you gonna beep at me and smile after? Oh my days. This thing is sick though. Look at it. This is my car, you know. Think about it. Imagine. I had a toy as a kid, yeah. It was Borago, and it was that gull-wing Mercedes thing, the one that looks all bubbly, kind of like a rocket, but it has the gull-wing doors, and it was like huge. It was like 1:18 or something, and it was my favorite toy. And for some reason, it just gives me that vibe. Like, even though it's got nothing to do with a Merc, and it's got nothing to do with having gull-wing doors, I think the silver aspect is kind of cool. I associate that Merc with first toy car, and this is kind of technically also first toy car, because this is my first ever car that I bought, and also it's my drift car now. This is not a bad photo, is it? This guy literally wanted to be on the video so bad. Bro, please, if you drive a Fiesta, don't talk to me. I'm joking, that's harsh. I don't think I need any more photos of this thing, do I? I think I've got what I need. I mean, my air filter did fall out, but it doesn't seem to have been dragging on anything, so I guess I'm chilling. And look, there's fucking trees in my air filter, mate. This is not a good fucking situation. I need to sort this out, because if it's gonna rain at pod, I can't be sucking up water, bro. I've jammed it in there, but it's not gonna stay in there, is it? Look at this guy, he's about to die. Why are you idling like a weirdo? Oh, it's my air filter fell out. It just fell out from the car idling, bro. That's so sad. This makes me want to cry. All right, that's fine. I'm just literally gonna leave. I don't care at this point, man. Super into this thing, for real. Like, definitely a lot. Cute toy. Okay, well, I mean, I guess this is gonna conclude the photo shoot section of this video. I really love my GoPro head mount imprints on my forehead. I don't feel like this is organized at all.
Organized mess.
Yeah, I mean, realistically, there's just boxes of stuff. Like, it's not organized, it's neat.
Yeah.
Like, neat.
Yeah.
This, if I was to really clear it out and really make it nice, I can get 2 cars in here, no problem. Yeah, that's good, right? He said he needs to get a frog sign or something like that.
Oh yeah, they want a they want a frog sign.
So crazy. I should sell these, innit? There they are, look.
They're so cool.
Nice. You know my M50 manifold? This literally right now is like worth as much as I paid for this car when I first bought it.
Oh God.
Just this piece of plastic. We're not talking about the throttle body and all this other shit. We need to add this to the back seats.
Those BM logo road things you made are
Yeah.
so cool.
You like that?
Yeah.
I thought that was a joke's idea. Yeah, thank you. I literally, I'm pretty sure I just came up with it this morning. I woke up and I was like, oh yeah, I've got a vinyl cutter. Let me rebrand BMW. But yeah, I'm hyped on it too. I hope that they do well, because I actually did back in the day. I AliExpressed loads of BMW badges. So at the moment, I have just fat stock of BMW badges. So I would love to sell them with the sticker and to do this whole thing, but we'll see. Nah, vest.
Those are wide.
Yeah, 10J. Yeah.
Even the bird's going mental.
Yeah, the bird loves it.
Yeah,
Fucking
you were saying
J-bird.
these 3 spokes.
They are a spider nest. Every time I come to them, there's more and more spiders going on.
They're probably the perfect geometry for this spider.
That's what I'm thinking. So that's pretty sick. I got them on Marketplace, and I have just hoarded them since.
So do you know what the PCB is?
No.
Oh.
And I don't know how to measure it accurately.
Yeah, I don't either.
Because I can fucking get a tape measure in it and just put it across the bolts, but do you know what I mean? What does that show? The bolt holes, not bolts. English.
It's fine, I'm dyspraxic, I do that all the time.
Is that what it is? Look at this tire, bro. What is this?
Well, the death problem.
This is the worst thing I've seen. So this happened because I was running something like 12 PSI, something ridiculous. I didn't check my tire pressures, and I was just hucking it in at Dakota when it was proper hot. So they just chunked up because they never had time to actually wear off. I was just wasting it.
Got stuck on the floor instead.
Yeah, literally. It's okay, we'll see how it goes. I have a plan. I'm just gonna try to Adam LZ myself. Yeah, there's this thing, I remember he showed it in the video and I literally lost my mind. It was his chaser. Maybe it was drift week. And now I have this crazy alignment.
Makes sense though.
It might work.
It makes sense because you'd have more grip in the rear, wouldn't you? And less like rolling resistance up front.
Yeah. For now, I just have to mount tires to these fresh wheels. I'm probably going to use these for road driving because I need to have some wheels with fresh tires that I drive with because police don't like when I have my drift tires on. Okay, well, this is it. Okay, it's the next day. I'm in town. That's the daily, obviously, doing bit. I'm at Brighton Tire and Exhaust, best tire place in Brighton. I'm about to get these babies old tired and new tired. Very nice. Tire service, very good. I'm in the middle of the day. It's going well. It's starting to drizzle and rain a little bit, so that's fun. Yeah. I'm literally, if it's gonna rain on Wednesday, I'm doing this for no reason. Anyway, I wanted to show you, I've sorted out my air filter situation. This is the air filter I used to run on the black coupe on my 2.8. It's on here, it's not gonna fall off now. I'm not gonna be sucking up no water or anything crazy like that. So the engine bay is basically sorted. Should be literally perfect to go for the drift day. I did want to show as well how I stack my tires. There was someone messaging me on Instagram asking about how many tires you can fit in a coupe for a drift day. I can usually fit 10, so I do 6 in the back seat, stacked in the same way as this. I just put another 2 on top of these. 1 goes in the passenger seat, 1 goes behind the passenger seat, and then 2 in the boot. Along with all my tools and other stuff in here, 10 tires fits perfectly in an E36 coupe. You lot remember this place, innit? It's looking kind of empty right now. In here, I'm storing my Style 66s, which I've got plans for. If you lot remember, I did buy a 328i convertible a couple weeks back. I'm currently planning a build for it. Nothing crazy, nothing wild. Just want to get it to a stage where I'm happy with it. I don't think I'll be keeping it. Ideally, I would like to keep it until summer and enjoy it in the summer. But if I can make money before then I won't hesitate selling it. I'm here to drop off some of my trash used tires. I'm here with the silver coupe again. I've been back and forward. I collected the rest of my tires from Adam. I think I need to be a bit smarter about driving this car on the street. My Style 6 is in the back here. I'm gonna just throw them on this thing right now so that tomorrow, when I drive to our Airbnb where the drift day is, there's not going to be too much reason to be worried about driving on the street. I will throw these tri-spokes back on when I'm drifting on track because visuals, of course, trying to get good photos. But on the way back home, I think I'll have to drive on the Style 6s again. I did also remove my old shifter from the black coupe. It's just an eBay sort of metal, I guess dildo style. I think I'm going to chuck that on as well, just for extra drift feel, even though I've got stock shifter in there. But I do kind of like the stock shifter anyway, even though this one's getting a bit floppy. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I think I might install the eBay short shifter that I had in the black coupe in this. So Raza has joined.
Oh, hello.
Hello, Raza.
Hello.
What do you think of the wheels? I haven't shown the video yet.
They're nice.
Do you think I should run them all around?
Yeah.
Spacer, yeah. Because this is final offset ET20. Anyway, I'll show you what it looks like. No bumper yet, but I'll add that in a sec. Yeah, it looks kind of bunk. The fitment is kind of AIDS. But this is like get to the drift day fitment, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is the vibe. I'm gonna put the bumper back on.
Got this yesterday.
Oh yeah, show us. Tell us then, what is it?
I got another Nardi for display ATM, but hopefully go in the next car.
What's the next car?
To be continued.
To be continued.
Yeah.
Not the I.
Yeah. I
Black
thought
leather.
it might be fake because I couldn't see this.
But it came with
And I couldn't see this, which is a serial number. It's on there. And
Yeah.
it says made in Italy here. So.
Italy.
Italy.
Perfect. While it continues to rain outside, my nice eBay dildo shift knob is installed. Nice and heavy, nice and floppy. Yeah, I'm gonna stop stroking it maybe. Anyway, the throw is okay. This is where first sits. It's not that close to the thing. Still not actually touching it. Second is like quite far back though. So I'm gonna have to be like doing these karate chops sort of. If I really bang third though, it does actually hit the heat controls. So we'll see how that works out on track. This short shifter might need to be installed sooner rather than later. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. The Silver Coupe is officially drift prepped. All I have to do is chuck the tires in the back and I'm ready to go. The drift day is going to be happening on Wednesday, the 28th. So definitely expect the video soon after that. Make sure you're staying up to date with everything I get up by following my Instagram at Rogue Drive. If you want to support the channel, if you want to see more content, more drift days, more Silver Coupe stuff, more Black Coupe content, anything else you want to see, leave it down in the comments. Go to the website, buy some stickers, support the channel, rogueworld.co, link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.